Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's look, I'm going to be creating the Kim K Met Gala 2019 look. I am so incredibly excited because she looked super beautiful in that pink carpet. I was literally shook. So pretty much right now I am just going to be, preparing my brows. I'm gonna obviously do my eyeshadow first. And for that, I'm going to be priming my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. And you guys will see right here that I'm just going to be sculpting it out. Here, I'm trying to really cover my darkness that I have going around my eyelid. With the concealer, as you guys see, I did apply plenty, but now I'm going to be blending it with my Morphe sponge. So right here, I'm just going to be setting it with my Mercier translucent powder with this Morphe brush. I'm just going to set until everything is nice and prepped for eyeshadow. So now I'm going to be taking the KKW Times Mario collaboration. This is their eyeshadow palette, and look at all the beautiful shades in here. So excited to be playing with this palette today. So I'm going to be taking Miami, the first color, in the crease as a transition, and I'm just going to be taking my MAC 224 brush to blend this whole eyeshadow out. As you guys can see, it's a very beautiful burnt orange. I really love it. And yeah, I'm just gonna be blending it out and building it so you get the right amount of pigment. So now I'm going to be taking the Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna's palette, and I'm going to take this shade right there. It's called Foxy, and I actually have to order a new palette because one shattered is just making a mess. So yeah, I have to order a new one. So I'm taking that shade on my inner and outer part of my eye because I saw that Kim Kardashian kind of had like a halo eye, so I wanted it to come out similar as her eye look. So that's what I did right here, and I like her a lot actually. I love the orange that I took right here, and it's really bright. And I've noticed that also Kim Kardashian had like a very bright orange on her eye, if that makes sense. And I will be listing all the brushes that I'm using in this video so you guys don't miss that out. So now I'm going to be taking Armanian, and I'm going to be taking it with this Anastasia brush. So pretty much I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow right in the center, like as you guys can see right here. I'm just trying to blend it out and make it perfect as possible. Also, what I thought was very cool is that he did use this specific palette for that look, and yeah, and I was so happy that I had the palette. So yeah. So I'm just blending it out right here, blending all the edges so that it doesn't look harsh. So now I'm going to be taking 2008 and I'm going to be taking it in a very, very small brush. This is actually a Morphe brush. I will list it down below, but I'm going to be taking that shade and putting it right there in the middle. Um, it's a very tiny brush, very, very detailed brush, which is perfect for this. So I'm just, trying to make it pop with that, and then pressing it with my ring finger so it stays very put. And I really, really loved it. Honestly, it just made such a big difference to the look too. And yeah. So now I'm going to be taking the Bobbi Brown Enriched face primer, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face. I decided to go with this primer because it's very, very hydrating, very moisturizing, and also this MAC Strip Cream. This is such a beautiful, my god, I can't even talk. A beautiful cream, especially if you want that dewy, bright skin. As you guys can see, it really, really did brighten up my skin so much. I know that I'm breaking out, but honestly, I can just wear this alone and it looks so good. My skin looks so, so, so nice and smooth. I really, really love this strobe cream from MAC. And now I'm going to spray this all over my face. This is the Tatcha Luminous Silk. Wait, no. The Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and I'm just going to be spraying it all over my face. And I actually have a fan now, so it dries so quickly. And now I'm going to be applying my foundation. I'm going to be taking the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation mixed with the Armani Luminous Silk. And yeah, I'm just going to be dotting this all over my face. I love the combination so far, and I've been using this combination for almost like a week, I think. And yeah, I'm just gonna be blending it out now with my Juno Co micro sponge. And this sponge just seriously, like, I'm obsessed with this sponge. I don't think I can go back to any other sponge, I think. So now I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This for I can't talk, you guys. The Born This Way Multi Sculpt Concealer, and this is actually a new shade. This is the Cookie shade. It's so freaking good, you guys. It just matches so well with my skin. I can honestly wear this color as a foundation. I'm also going to be taking the shade Golden Light or Golden Beige. Yeah, Golden Beige. And then taking my KKW sculpting stick, pencil contouring stick. I don't know what they're called, but I'm just going to be blending it out with my beauty blender now. Yep. So now I'm just going to blend everything out with this Morphe brush. So now I'm going to be setting my under eye concealer with the Mercier translucent powder, and all I'm going to do is just set, and also I'm going to be taking it all over my face. So now I'm going to be getting rid of any excess powder, and then I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder in the shade medium, and all I'm going to do is just set my face with this. And now to bronze up, I'm going to be taking my Marc Jacobs Tintastic Bronzer. This is the Omega Bronzer, and all I'm going to do is take this Morphe brush and just start to blend out my contour. I noticed that Kim Kardashian had a very bronzed look, so I wanted to achieve that with this bronzer. I really love how this bronzer makes my skin look. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush. I think this is a makeup Shack brush, not sure the number, but I will list it down below. And I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetics Satin Bronzers, and this is in Bronze Babe. And all I'm going to do is just start to bronze more kind of everywhere. I like this bronzer so it could warm up my skin, so I really like it. So now I'm going to be taking this Benefit Blush, Bronze, and Highlight palette. This is the Cheerleader Pink Squad palette, and I'm going to be taking the blush. This is the California, I think, blush, and all I'm going to do is apply this on the apples of my cheeks. And then now I'm just going to be carving out down here, cleaning up any mess I made down below my cheekbones, and then also on the sides of my nose. And now for my brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. And I wanted to keep this in the video because I really wanted you guys to see how I'm doing it now. I kind of did want to imitate Kim Kardashian's brow. It's very long and it's not super thick, but it is very dark, I've noticed. So that's what I'm achieving here. And now I'm going to be taking this Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to be filling in any sparse area. Like I said, Kim Kardashian did have a dark brow for this look, so that's what I'm trying to achieve here. So now I'm going to be continuing with the eyes. I'm going to be taking the shade Miami and then applying this all over my lower lash line. Again, I will let you guys know what brushes I used for this look. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing the same thing I did to my top eye to the bottom lower lash line. I did notice that Kim Kardashian did have like a brown liner on her waterline, and I'm going to be taking the Mercier Caviar Stick Eyeliner eyeliners, and this is in the shade Cocoa. And then yeah, I'm just going to be applying this all over the waterline so it can look like smoky and nice. And now, and right here you guys are saying me blend any harsh lines, and then reapplying that Miami and Vegas shade. And now for this step is really going to make that eye look pop, that Kim Kardashian look. So I'm going to be taking this Morphe Metallic Eyeshadow in the shade Daze, and I'm going to be applying this on the center with a very detailed brush. This is literally going to just finish the eye look right here. I'm done, and as you guys can see, it's such a beautiful metallic eyeshadow. I'm really loving it. So now I'm going to be applying my mascara. This is the Hourglass Caution Mascara, and I'm just going to be applying good coats so my lashes can blend good with my falsies. So for this look, I decided to wear bold face lashes. This is actually my first time using these lashes, and these are in the style Babe Alert. And I actually wanted to use the Huda Beauty Scarlet lashes, but I literally can't even find them. I think I gave them all away. So yeah, I feel like Kim Kardashian kind of had that kind of eyelash, and she did have it like very spidery, if that makes sense, long and spidery. So that's what I wanted to achieve with these lashes. So now for my highlight, Kim Kardashian was super highlighted. I mean, the wet look, I feel like that's what it means. So for the highlight, I used the Dior golden highlight, and then I'm taking my Anastasia loose highlighter in So Hollywood. It's my favorite highlighter at the moment. It's so beautiful and very pigmented. And then as you guys saw, I did use my Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist so I can look wet and dewy, of course. That's the look we're going for. So I did not film the part where I lip line my lips, but I did use the Kylie Cosmetics Coconut Shade lip liner, and then now I'm taking the same combo that actually Mario used on her. These are her KKW Beauty lipsticks in the shade 1.5 and 2. And then I'm just going to be applying this all over. I'm using again the coconut lip liner to kind of, you know, darken up the edges, because Kim Kardashian did kind of have like that ombre look on her lips, so I really just loved it. And then I'm taking the classic nude from the Mario and Kim collaboration lip gloss, and yeah, I'm just applying this all over my lips. And I think we're done here, you guys. We are finally done with this look. I am now going to be styling my hair, of course. I really did want to achieve her wet hair, but I have so much hair, you guys. So much hair that I don't think I really achieved it how I wanted to. But I did use a lot of glosser, hair glosser. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really enjoyed making it for you guys. I love recreating Met Gala looks, especially from Kim Kardashian herself. She's such an inspiration to the beauty community, so I really wanted to recreate this look. And also a big congratulations to Mario, because he killed it again and again. I feel like he's gonna do it again and again with the Met Gala looks, honestly. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.